Good day to you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a US Facebook account. Now, for you to create a US Facebook account, you are going to be making use of 4 different applications, which I'm going to be showing you everything appropriately and accordingly in this particular video. So please, I want you to take note of everything I'm going to be doing in this video carefully, and you follow it accordingly so that you can also get the same results. So the applications we are going to be using in this particular video, number one of it is the Play Store, and the second application we are going to be using in this particular video is what we know as Island Beta Access. And then the third application we are going to be making use of in this particular video is the VPN Super Proxy. How are you going to be getting all these applications? How are we going to be connecting each other together in order for us to open an account? And the last application that I forgot to add to it is the application known as Numero. So I'm going to be explaining each and one of those applications accordingly, how you are going to be getting them, how you are going to be connecting each and every one of them together, what is their major uses, how are you going to be using it to create your Facebook account. I'm going to be breaking everything down for you in this video. If this is something you would also want to learn, please don't forget to like and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. So let us get started. The first thing you want to do is to go to your Play Store. So once you get to your Play Store, then you are going to go to your search bar. You are going to search the first application that I said you are going to be searching, which is the Island Early Access. So that is just the name there. So once you click on that particular Play Store and you search this particular Island Early Access, just follow it appropriately the way I'm also going to be showing you here. So you are going to install it on your phone if you don't have it on your phone, which I'm sure you are not going to be having it. So you're going to install it, that island. Then once you install it, it's going to open like this. So once it opens, the importance of this particular application is for you to be able to have a free space on your phone that you can actually use to download some other applications that you are going to be using. That is not going to be directly going to be on your own mobile phone. Is going to be inside this application. That is just the major reason. So on this particular application, you can see we have the discovery, we have the mainland, and we have the island. So the island, you're going to click on the Google Play Store there. So you are going to open the Google Play Store inside that particular application. If you don't have inside, after you open this particular thing, it's going to take you to this place, or you easily sign in your email address and something to log in, because it's going to be a new fresh app. So once you have opened that particular application like this, which is the Play Store again, then you are going to click on the search button. We are going to be downloading the VPN that we are going to be using to connect our server. So for you to get that VPN that you are going to be downloading, you click on the search bar on this particular application here, which is the Play Store. So once you click on the search bar, so once you click on it, you are going to search VPN Super Proxy. So it is still this unlimited super proxy that you are currently seeing on your screen. So the VPN super proxy, that is what you are going to be installing inside that particular Play Store. You remember we are inside the Access app, that early access something. So inside it, you went to Play Store, and from this Play Store, you are going to be downloading this VPN. So this VPN is going to be allowing us to connect our server and our IP, so that once we have connected everything and it is perfectly okay, it will be easier for us to open the Facebook account. So you are going to select your country, which is the USA, United States of America, and then you can choose the one of Dallas, anyone that you like, but try to follow this particular video so that I can get the same results. So you are going to choose the US Dallas. So that is what you are going to click on. So once you click on it, you are going to connect it together. So you all done for it to connect. So once it is done connecting, then we are going to proceed with the next thing. So it is now connected. As you can see, our phone is actually now connected to that particular server. So after it has been connected, this is what you now want to do now. You are going to go to your phone browser. You can use another browser that you like, but in this video, you are going to be making use of Dolphin browser. If you don't have it, you can easily install that one on your Play Store, on your mobile Play Store, Dolphin browser. So this particular browser is what you are going to be using to log in your Facebook account. You are going to just type Facebook. You are going to type your facebook.com so that you can register your account, because presently your phone is going to be as if it is in the US. So you are going to now put in your details like signing up on your account. So what you are going to be typing is the create a new account. So once you click on the create a new account, so you are going to see it here now, then you create it. Then you can put any name that you want to use for your business, which is the first name and the surname. So in this video, I'm just going to be making use of, let me pick any random name here. Just going to be picking any random name, like let me choose Wallin Morgan. See, let me use the first name as the Wallin, and then the surname, I'm going to be using this as Morgan. Then I'm going to click on next. So you can actually use your own name on this particular video. So you are going to select your date of birth. So after selecting the date of birth that you want for that particular person, so let me just make use of this particular date here. So let me think of a date that I can actually use. So you can just pick any date that you feel you want to use, your personal date that you are sure of. So just pick of any one. So I'm going to be picking this one, 1995. Let me just pick this March, April, May, June, July, August, or okay, let me just pick this one, August 7, 1995. So that is what I'm going to be using. Then you click on next. Now, after that time, you are going to choose whether you are a male or a female, which I'm sure you may be a male. Then you click on next as well. So after clicking on next, now how do you get your US number? This is how you are going to get. So for you to get your phone number, you are going to go back to your Play Store. So let me go back to my Play Store here, just your normal Play Store. You are going to go back and you are going to download. Let me go to my search bar and you download this particular application, Numero. So what you are going to download is the Numero. I already have it because that is what I usually use to get my international phone number that I usually use for my Rumble account. I've actually used it from my TikTok account, international account, and that is exactly what I'm also going to be using for this particular video that you are watching. So please kindly take note of it. For you to download this particular app, just click on the download button. I've actually downloaded my own. We are going to click on the open. Once you click on the open, please take note of it. You can see we have different numbers that are already here. So I'll definitely hide my number so that you can see my phone number and my US number that I'm actually using. So although you are not seeing everything, but I'm sure you can actually see. So for you, it's going to be taking you to the home page like this for this Numero. It's going to be opening from the beginning like this once you download it. For you to get your number, it is very, very easy. So we are going to, you can see everything here. You are going to purchase a number that you are going to be using, because you cannot, if you see any other videos that shows how to get free US number, please, you can easily watch the video and get it. But believe me, I'll be sincere with every of my students. Thousands of videos that I've watched, if you actually get that free US number, because a lot of people are using that thing, they may not allow it. So, and you may not even get the code that you are expecting for you to get, for you to verify anything. Because I remember that I got this particular Numero app and I got my international account here, international number rather. I got it here because when I wanted to verify my Rumble account, Rumble is just a platform like YouTube that allows us to publish videos and we earn money. But I wanted to verify my account on Rumble. I tried different free USA number, and believe me, I am unable to get one for verification. So I had to come to this particular platform. How do you get your number? You are going to just click on phone number. So once you click on phone number, as you can see, they are going to ask you that, let me check here very well so that we don't make any mistake here. So once you click on phone number, you are going to click on the mobile number. You can see, you are going to click on the mobile number. The mistake I made when I wanted to get this number the first time is I click on the US special offers and I clicked on this one. Please don't click on the US offer don't click on it, because me, I went down to go and I bought this one that time, which actually cost me a lot anyway. So I had to go back, and then I click on this phone number. Then you are going to select mobile numbers. So you are going to select mobile numbers. Then you scroll down to your USA that you want to get the number, United States. So once you click on the United States mobile number, then you scroll to the list one. So this is the actual one that I got. So they've increased the price as of today that I'm making the video. You can see they said a month here, it is going to be, remember we wanted to just use it for us to verify our Facebook, not something that we are going to continue to use. So you can easily just get that particular plan. So once you click on it, it's easier for you to just make your payment. So how do you make your payment? Okay, so I'm going to click on it, and then I click on continue. So once I click on continue, then let me just say buy monthly. So they are going to tell you the amount in Naira. So this is the amount that you are going to be using to buy it. Just click on this. If you have connected your Play Store, your bank account, or maybe your debit card or your credit card, if you have linked it to your Play Store, immediately you click on buy, they'll definitely deduct it, and then you should be able to get your number that you are going to be using to verify. This is the method that I use. If you have any other method, you can easily try it. Let's assume you already have your international account or number that you have been using before. Please, you can easily use that number to verify if it works. But for the sake of this video, I don't want something that will not work. That is why I'm walking you through the method that I use to get my own international number. So once you are done purchasing your number, let's assume you are done purchasing it, then you can see, for you to check your number, you just scroll down to this my product. Once you get to this my product, and then you can see my phone numbers, my data eSIM, my calling plans, everything that you've gotten. Just click on your phone numbers, and you are going to see your phone number right here on the screen as you are seeing. So that is exactly how I got my number. So once you have gotten your number, then you are going to add it back to the Facebook account in order for you to get your verification. Once they have added it to your Facebook, they are going to send your message here, and then you come to this application, you get your verification code, and then that is that about that. So after getting your number, then you paste your mobile number here. After pasting your mobile number, then you click on next. After clicking on next, then you put in your strong password that you want to use for this particular Facebook account. So just put in your strong password. You normally has a capital letter, small letter, then character, and probably a number, depending on what you want to use. Like you can use your phone number or anything that you want to use. So that is that about that. So after you are done putting your password, then the next thing you want to do is to click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, then they are going to tell you, you can just click on not now or anyone, then you can just click on sign up. So after signing up, then the next thing for them is to do the verification. And then as you can see, they said, confirm this your phone number. Should we send it to your WhatsApp or your SMS? So you are going to click on the SMS button, then you go back to that application that we just left. You click on that your number, you are going to see SMS space there, and then you are going to be seeing your verification code in your SMS. So once you click on the SMS, you click on continue. Then after getting back to the app, you are going to receive your code for verification. Then you come back to this particular Facebook page, and then you are going to be adding your page, your verification code. You are going to be adding it to this your Facebook account, and that is how you are going to be getting your account set up and ready for this particular video. Thank you so much. So if you have got value from this video, please don't forget to like and also subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you are also going to be trying this out in the comment section.